Let's talk inside candle pattern. When you use this pattern, achieving targets will be easier and will increase winning frequency with higher profits when you win and less loss when market goes against you. This strategy is used by beginners, intermediate and expert traders. So it is very important you watch the entire video. Now let's get started. For making candlestick chart easier for you, we will only know these two candles. First we can say this big candle, it is called Marubozu candle or rally candle. The other one is this one, it can be called doji or base candle or boring candle. So the candle normally forms this way. Here the candle opens, this is the low it made and it went up high, this is the high it made and it closed somewhere here. So this is the body of the candle, these two are the wicks. One single candle has a high, a low and an opening price and a closing price. So here this is the low, this is the opening price, this is the closing price and this is the high it made. It opens here, tries to go up but sellers take the price down and from here again buyers come and push the price upward and it closes somewhere here. So this is how a doji is formed: low, close, open and high. When a candle forms in a market, it can be either green or red. For now let's take a green candle, and when a green candle forms we know buyers are in the market. When such big candle forms in the market, that means big players are present in the market. So when they are looking buying side, who are we to look anywhere else? After a big candle, a doji candle must form this way, here next to the big candle. So why this candle forms? Because people can do anything. When this candle, green candle is forming, some people want to sell from here, so they start selling, but market doesn't go that much lower and it halts at this position. This doji candle can be of any color, red or green, it doesn't matter. The only criteria is that it should be forming inside the bigger candle. So our entry will be this way. If price crosses these highs, then we have to enter the trade and stop loss will be below this candle. For example, candle opens in this area and starts moving upward. So as soon as it crosses this areas, we have to enter the trade. Our target will be the double of this small doji candle. So if the candle size is this much, we should take the double the size of this doji. So let us go to the live video and understand. This is my second video of inside candle, and we can see here a big red candle, after that two small doji, one inside candle, and this candle will break both of these candles low. So let me fast forward this. So here we can see it gave a breakdown, a proper inside candle pattern. The target will be double of that small doji candle. We can see here we have reached the target, the double of that small doji candle. People who are still watching are true learners. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, for such valuable content in future. This is Bank Nifty chart, and I also specially trade in Bank Nifty and many of the traders also trade in Bank Nifty, so I have taken this chart. So we'll backtest in this one and see inside candle. So we can see here a proper inside candle pattern. We can trade below this and we'll take 1:2 ratio, and after that we see here again inside candle, this small doji, we take trade below this and we'll achieve 1:2 ratio. so much more behind. You can see at this position, this is a proper inside candle pattern. Again we'll take a buying position and we'll take 1:2 ratio. Whenever you are trading this strategy, please try in 15-minute time frame or above, because below 15-minute time frame, in 5-minute and 10-minute, you may find many opportunities, but few of them may give false breakout. Hence, for higher winning percentage, try above 15-minute time frame only. So please go back and test this strategy and send me your inside candle chart, so I will know everyone is trying and putting their effort to learn. Hit the like button if you like this content, and if you don't, then dislike. Please subscribe for future power pack content, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.